In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user from your Cloudflare account. Whether you're looking to streamline your account management or simply need to remove an account that is no longer in use, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Don't worry if you're not particularly tech-savvy. I've made sure to keep things simple and easy to understand so you'll be able to follow along effortlessly. To start with, you'll want to open up your internet browser and go to the Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to log in if you haven't done so already. If you're already logged in, you'll notice your profile icon located at the top right corner of the interface. It's pretty easy to spot. Just look for a small circular icon, which usually has either your initials or a generic profile image displayed. Clicking on the profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Now, within this menu, you will need to find the option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that selection. This will bring you to the area of Cloudflare where all your user settings and account information are housed. Once you're in your profile settings, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a section dedicated to account management options. Among these options, you'll see a link that says, Delete this user. It might not be highlighted or particularly prominent, so keep an eye out for it as you scroll. Once you found it, click on this link. Now, Cloudflare takes account security seriously, so clicking on Delete this user isn't the final step quite yet. When you click it, a prompt will appear on your screen, offering you one last chance to confirm your decision. It's a good idea to read this prompt carefully just to ensure that deleting the user is indeed what you want to do. Once you've reviewed the prompt and you're certain about your decision, simply click Delete User. With that, the user will be permanently removed from your Cloudflare account. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you're 100% sure before you click that final confirmation. And just like that, you've successfully deleted a user from your Cloudflare account. It's a straightforward process, and now that you know how to do it, you can maintain your account more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time.